Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Preeti Oja, working as a principal in Delhi International School, Dwarka, New Delhi, India. My entire career has been around children, but the last 2 years, pandemic has changed the way the children are now responding. Every response and reaction of a child is usually called as a behavior. I would like to let you all know that there are a few tips that I can share with you which will help you to balance the emotion of your child wherever and whatever capacity you can help them. It will help all of us. The most important tip that I would like to let you all know, that let the children know that every emotion that they go through is absolutely normal. They don't have to worry about it, that this is one emotion that only they are going through it and that's something strange and full of anxiety. Don't. Let them know that it's absolutely normal. The second most important thing is let the children know that every emotion that they feel is supposed to be spoken to the adult around them. And the guidance to the adult should be that no exclamations, no facial expressions, no such thought process to be shown to the child that they stop telling you what they want to. The third is never tease them with one situation they have ever been through, because that will not allow them to again tell you anything in future. Yes, do let them know that if you are sharing something with me and if I find that's not right, I will share it with somebody who can help us. This is essential. But yes, you also have to let them know that whoever we will share with, it's going to be kept confidential. There are times that when children will also let you know that there are some emotions that they don't have the word for, so let them know the name for that emotion, which may help them to realize, okay, this kind of an emotion is called this and this is how it has to be dealt with. Please let them know how to resolve what they're feeling within, because of the emotion that they're going through. Because if you're not telling them how to deal with it after listening to them or after a few days or whenever they are asking you, there is no closure to it, so they will be always uncertain about how to deal with it the next time. Every age group that you come across dealing with some situation the child is going through, you have to understand the age group that you're talking to. That is essential. So as a parent, you can't keep treating a child who's an adult of age group 17, 18 or till 25 to be with them the way you were with them earlier, or maybe when they were very young. They need a change of language. They need a change of how you are treating their environment with who they actually deal with. So if sometimes what happens is one child tells you, most of the time it happens with mothers, that when their children complain them about a friend, they next time say, do not talk to that child. They tag them. That's not what is right. You are supposed to do. Let the child grow with that child about whom they complained, and let them find peace and resolve the conflict and restart the journey of friendship at a very young stage, to realize that any relationship that we find a conflict, we need to resolve. Otherwise, it will end. And ending is also one of the ways how you can resolve an issue if it is something that you can't deal with it at all. So there are times that you have to let them know that anybody around you has a problem with you, or you have a problem with that person, or you have a problem of the emotion that you're going through. First try to reflect within that this is a problem that I am going through, so let me first do a SWOT analysis with myself. In case in that entire analysis that the child does with you or does a mind map, you will realize that most of the time they will accept of what they have been doing, and as an adult we also do the same. And when we do that, we realize, oh, the problem is only 30% that has to be resolved. So resolving an issue is extremely important for anyone, child or an adult, which we need to do in this hour, and we are doing it. Take guidance and help of psychologists and various kinds of people who have an experience with children to help your children. I think that will help us a lot how to deal with them. Thank you so much.